Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing my UK stock market portfolio and I'll be showing you all my UK stock positions and how they've done. I'll talk you through what I'm planning to do with all my UK stock market positions that I currently hold. And as always guys, if you could like the video, that would be absolutely amazing. And all these stocks that I buy, I feature on the free stocks I'm buying in the month series, and then I go buy them myself and then I review how they're doing the stock market portfolio series that I do. And I have sold one stock that I'll show in a second because I've not actually talked about selling that stock. I haven't made a video about it. So this is the first time I'm kind of revealing that stock that I've sold. If you guys know my UK stock portfolio, you might have a little bit of a guess which one it is because it did go up quite a lot since I featured it in the 7 stocks to buy series. But we'll get stuck into my UK stock market portfolio review and see how everything's going. So this portfolio I did only start about a month ago, so there's not much history to it. Last month was its first month, but it did do quite well as the stock market generally was quite down at lows, and there has been quite a bit of a bounce back in the stock market, and the FTSE 100 has done quite well overall. So the first stock in there is Hollywood Bowl that did a 12.28% return, which was pretty good. We had Barclays, which returned 19.8%. We had Dart Group, which came back with 31% return. We had Boohoo.com, which was 85%, and Viva, that was negative 10%. That's like pointless. It was like flatline. Barrett Developments was 29.61% return. Now I did want to buy a few more of these shares in them stocks, but they kind of all went up. I didn't really want to buy any more in Aviva or Barclays because I kind of only got them for the dividend, whereas the other ones I believe have a little bit of growth in the share price, and I did want to buy more of them, but they had all gone up so much that I did have 3 different stocks to buy in the last monthly series. Out of them stocks, Boohoo.com is the stock that I sold for obvious reasons. The stock was up quite a lot. It was up 85%, and I was like, it's gone up 85% in actually like 26 days, I think it was. And for a stock to go up 85% in 26 days was mental. And any kind of stock, no matter what it is, even if I'm in for the long term, 2 to 5 years, if I generally hold a stock that has gone up 85% in the amount of 26 days, I was like, I'm going to cash this out. I'm going to take some profit. So I did sell out of Boohoo.com. And like I say, I'll probably reinvest it into some other growth company because it was the biggest growth company in my portfolio. But I can find another one to replace it that's a little bit of a cheaper valuation for sure. And everything else really, like especially like Hollywood Bowl, Dart Group and Barrett Developments, which are probably my 3 favourite companies actually in this portfolio. They kind of went up a lot, so I'm kind of waiting off to buy them. And then I did the 3 stocks to buy in the month of May, and that featured Legal & General, 88 Casino and Greggs. And I did buy all these on the 20th, just before I actually made the video and edited it all. Legal & General was negative 4.9%. 88 Casino was negative 4.43% and Greggs was 2.14%, so they've kind of not done anything really. And to be honest with you, if they do stay at these sort of prices, probably 88 Casino and Greggs probably feature again. I don't know if I'd buy into Legal & General more. I mean, I still like the company, but you know, I've got a decent position in there, and it's very much like Aviva and Barclays. Like, they're just dividend companies really. Like, they're not going to give me that much share price increase compared to everything else. So 88 Casino and Greggs are definitely 2 that I probably consider maybe being in the next monthly series. Overall, that gave my UK stock portfolio a return of 19.52%, which is pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that for its first month. It's a pretty decent month. The FTSE 100 did come back 8.73%, so we are trying to outbeat or outperform the FTSE 100, and we did outperform that a fair bit. We outperformed it by 11%, so that was pretty good overall. And that was my UK stock market portfolio for the month of April. So like I say, I mean, overall, I did sell out of Boohoo.com because it just went up so much. So I would like to get another growth company into this portfolio probably next month. And like I say, on that list, everything's kind of gone up apart from Greggs and 88 Casino. So I'll probably feature them again in next month's 3 stocks to buy UK edition for the month of May. So I'll probably add them 2 again, and then hopefully on that kind of 3rd company in my portfolio, I'm going to find a growth company probably to add in and replace Boohoo.com. So I'm going to be checking that out over kind of the next couple of weeks. So once I find it out and I know which company it's going to be, I'll do a video about it. But as always guys, I hope you enjoyed me sharing my UK stock portfolio for its first ever month. If you could smash the like button, if you could subscribe if you haven't, that'd be absolutely amazing. I'll see you in the next video.